Hey guys, Hannah here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video, I'm going to unbox another box. Yes, I've got a box here. Finally, it arrived. Let's open the box. I'm excited. They said that this ring light will make you pretty, so hopefully it's true because I want to be pretty. Anyways, let's do it, guys. I've already tried to remove the tape before, so that's why. It's easy. Oh my god, anyway. So, ta-da! This is the ring light. What's the size of this, babe? I don't know. He said 20 something centimeters. It didn't say on this one. I don't know. I don't even know the size of this. But I'll show you. So it's like a bulb type. Look. This a ring light as well that it's flat, but this one's not. So yeah, I'm happy. I hope it works. I hope it didn't get damaged from the transportation. There's the button. This is the included wire and button. There you go. And then we have the selfie ring light manual. Yep. We've got this one and this. This is, I know this is what this one is for. This is for the phone, to attach your phone. And there's another one. Also this one. I've got this. So we've got a remote control for the phone as well. There you go. Oh yeah, and then we've got a tripod. Sa mukha, oy. No, it's blurry na. Hang on. Yeah, so we've got the tripod. Wow, I love the color, guys. It's kind of brown. Yeah. I've got a tripod already. I'm using it right now. I have this tripod for a couple years. 6 years. Oh, Jason said 6 years. And it looks like this. But I think this is more sturdy, this one, the new one. I don't know. It feels more sturdy than my old one. So it's the same. Yep, you have to... I think it's very tall too. Yeah, it's actually, it's like my old one. It's like my old one but different brand. I don't know what brand is this. But I love the color. So there you go. So when we attach this one, I think, let's see. Let's have a look at the user manual.
Okay. So, you have to attach this one. Dapat i-attach ni. Ang bot! Wait a second. Okay, sorry guys, I'm really not good at this one. I'm trying! So, there you go. And then, attach siya din ha. No.
Ta-da! It's already attached. Ito siya ibutang sa ano. Let's put it on the floor. Ah! Oh my god. I haven't even used... Ah! Bilat. I haven't even used this one. And it's... Ay, 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 ay. Wait, Zeng. I need to lock it first. Yes. And then... Here. Let's adjust the...
Welcome to Mom's channel.
Hi. Say hi to my friends.
Hi.
Say hi. Did you say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
My baby says hi. Are you drinking your milk now? Alright, so that's it, guys. I can even put it more higher if I want to, but I just want you to see the look of it right now. So I think for this one, you have to attach it to the phone holder like that, and then the phone here, and just put it in the middle.
Yeah.
And that's it. So
Mom, how does it actually work?
yeah, I'll show you, okay? It's very cool. My son's asking how it actually works. So it's kind of like a USB port. You have to connect it to your laptop or to your power bank. So I have my laptop here. Let's see if it will work. Oh yes. The button turned blue. So I can turn the power button. Nice. So it's got like the power button, this minus, like a refresh and a plus button. Let's try the minus. Okay. So the minus one, if you want, if it's too bright for you, then you can adjust it by pressing the plus and minus button. If you want, see, that's a plus button. If you want to change the lighting, then you can press the refresh button. See? It's like yellow, white, and not so white. But yeah, oh my god, I love it. It should be like that. Try not to. I'll put it behind the camera. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if I look prettier with this ring light. Adjust na to, besh. Okay.
Oh my god, you look gorgeous.
Shut up.
Is the light even on?
Shut up.
Sorry, Dad.
Bugal-bugal kini siya. Okay, so I'll put it behind the camera. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hala, ka nice. Yan, igwapa ka ti. Ito, oy. I love it. I'm so happy with my tripod. Thanks to my husband for buying me this. Thank you for being so supportive with my vlogging. And please do like this video and comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions on what to do with this ring light. I just love it like that. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.